guys, finally here today. We decided that we were going to do a few upgrades, so let's check out what we got. We tried a few other people's cameras around and we decided on what we were going to get. And it is the Sony a6400. And we decided to pair that with Sigma 16 lens. And to top that off, if anything's not too shaky, we got the Crane V2 gimbal. Let's check this stuff out. Alright, to start with, we got the a6400 Sony. Got a strap and some stuff. Eyepiece. Alright, comes with the 16 to 55 lens. Flip screen. We actually tested this camera out when we did our Ghostbusters video, so that's kind of what our footage is going to look like with that. Alright, this is the Sigma 16 1.4 f-stop. This lens is probably one of the more popular lenses on this camera that you'll see on YouTube. So we have 16 lens. Okay, let's try it on this camera. Is the Sigma 16 lens. So another cool feature we got is the small rig. This little guy right here, well, you guys probably know what this is, but it allows you to take a hot shoe mount, plug it in and move it over here, so you can still have a mic on top of the camera without the screen blocked. Alright, let's check out this bad boy. See if we can get this thing balanced. Alright, it's pretty balanced here, I think. Now we have a gimbal. We can get some pretty steady shots on this camera, it's a new one. And our hope is that we can make some better looking videos for you guys to watch. We can go check it out outside and run around and watch Paisley. You guys can meet Paisley, our dog. Let's go check it out. Yeah, we are over by a park today. It's kind of near our house. We're checking out this new gimbal. It's on the a6400 camera, which does not have the best stabilization in the world. Plus the lens I'm using on this is not stabilized, so using a gimbal is kind of a must at this point. But you can tell it's pretty smooth. It looks like I'm kind of just gliding. It's not too heavy. It can get definitely heavy, but build up some muscle. Right now I have this thing set down to 3.5 aperture. I have an ND filter on set about medium on a variable. Alright, let's give this gimbal the real test. We'll give it the running test. I think that's doing pretty well. Alright guys, thanks for watching today. We have some more adventures we'll be going on in the next couple weeks. In a few weeks here we'll be going down to Florida, check out some Star Wars. Right now there's someone burning some cedar wood out here. It smells great. Oh. Well, we had a great 2019. We had a great 2019 this year, and we look forward to 2020. We have lots more videos coming out. Hopefully they look a lot better.
With our new camera setup.
Anyways, like and subscribe down below, and comment if you like our new gear, if you have any questions about it.
Ooh, or any places you want to see us visit.
Yes.
Follow us on Instagram at Kyle Andrea Channel, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye!
See you in the next one. Well, we had a great... Okay. Yeah. What?
Yeah. It's hot back here. Turn the fan on. I'm dying. Bye. Bye.